in as much as we they talk about entertainment, good music, conversation, we dey very, very much interested in your body, your well-being, your health. It is very important. And why would they talk about everything we get to do with health when it comes to Yangatainment with me, Fay Fay Talks? So we care for Yanga FM. You get the vibe. And yes, as I've been talked before, before I go play the music, I talk about something we be saying. A lot of people, they drained mentally, being drained emotionally. I even take out time to talk to some of my friends. And guess what? Not only me, they feel that way. My friends too feel that way. People where I don't know, they feel like, this is the way you just talk, it touched me. It's not only me, they feel that way. Feeling drained, feeling tired, bills as an adult. See, trust me. See that one, our topic for another day. Because you see that adulthood, now another part where we say they not give you manual, they don't hand you manual, say now so you go run this adulthood pill, now so you go do this, now so you go do that. You wake up one morning, bills just look at you in the face without prior notice, nothing. You see how crazy it is being an adult? So we they talk about all of those things, everything we make us to be adult and the draining part. So the big question for the week now this, how you they recharge when you feel completely drained mentally or physically? Waiting be your ultimate pick me up. Waiting be your ultimate pick me up. How you they recharge when you are down or when you are drained mentally or physically? So the truth is, say some people say, I go on vacation, but trust me, a large percentage of people can't go on vacation right now. Make we not give ourselves. Let's start with that, because which money you want to go on vacation? Where you want go chop the life of your head? Which money? So with you not having money for vacation, how you they take recharge? And this one come, he talk say, my own is kind of weird. It can't stay time working out, eating and sleeping, going out for a walk, or watching movies or series. Then I have a sticky note on my wall that says, don't be poor, get up. So this one is for when I'm tired of working mentally. Wow, that one a better motivation, because trust me, as Bible talk, it does say little slumber, folding of hands, social poverty, you go creeping like that. So thank you so much. I think I'll that last part I will do. This person talk say take a break and try sleep. More. I want good, but see, sometimes if you sleep. I love your answer, but to some people, for me now, when I get worried and all of those kind of things, like to sleep not a problem for me personally, yeah. And this person talk say take a power nap, see a movie, cuddle. That's nice. I'm not here to counter anything that you're saying. No, I'm not come here to counter anything. But yeah, take a power nap, see a movie, cuddle. That cuddle part, that's if you have somebody now. Me, I don't get anybody. Yeah, but yeah. So as they talk these things, I beg they take notes. They don't talk again. Take a power nap. See a movie. You're worried, see a movie. You're drained, see a movie. Or cuddle. Just have your favorite person cuddle you. And moving on, person can talk say music and food. More not be lie. Food. I agree with you on that one. And music as well. Get power like that. And this person talk say pray, rest well, pray again, open up to my loved ones. Yeah, and yes, pray again. Sometimes I take myself on a solo date too. All this really helped me reset. I need it at the moment though. Aww. I agree with you. Me too, I need them, to be honest. I think that I'll first of all start with cuddle. Yeah, that cuddle. Afterwards, maybe a movie, from movie to, go on a solo date or something. And person contact say music and some hot calming tea. Wow, that's cool. Feel overwhelmed if you feel say more you did drained and all of those kind of things. Take cue from other people, answers, how do they take the deal with them, because it is very, very important. Because some people tell you, say, vacation, but not be everybody get money to go Ibiza. Everybody get money to go Tanzania. That kind of piece. So take you from this conversation, from the answers where you go to get from some wonderful people here. So this person talks say, this is a great question. How I recharge when I feel exhausted and drained is basically knowing the reason why I'm feeling exhausted or drained. If it's work, I take a break, listen to music, and take some fresh air outside. If it's life in general, I usually talk to someone about how I'm feeling, or use an app called Storia to say how I'm feeling and basically ask for possible solution to ease my stress. Okay, talking to somebody about it, trusted persons, not just anybody, but trusted persons about it, it will help you very, very well.
89.9 Yanga FM.